Hello you guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to prepare the superfood for your hairs, that is a henna mask. Also I am going to boil some nagamotha, rita and shikakai in a glass of water so that the goodness of all these natural ingredients will mix up with the water, and that water I will use for mixing the henna. Here you can see I'm using this iron pan for making this mixture. Also make sure you are using the chemical free naturally formulated henna. Keep in mind the consistency of the paste should be semi-solid and not too runny, and keep this mixture for overnight or at least 8 hours. After keeping this paste for a night, it has changed its color to black. Henna could be drying for some people. For that I'm using this moisturizing ingredient, that is mustard oil and egg, and mix it very well with the henna mask. For the application part, I'm going to start with scalp first and then going to apply on the bunch of strands one by one, and I'll make this bun sort of situation so that it will be easier to wash off this paste from my hairs. Here my mom is applying this mask on my hairs, and in this way I'm done with the paste application. These are my hairs before the henna application, and now these are my hairs after the hair wash. I can feel it very smooth, and also there is some tint of redness on my hairs. Comment down below if you can see any changes before and after. Until next time, bye bye, take care, thanks for watching.